Hello everyone. Today we are going to find the length of side A of this triangle. Let's name it as triangle A B C. So we have a right angle triangle ABC here, and its one side is AB, which is also known as perpendicular, because it is making a 90-degree angle, or we can say perpendicular here. So AB, value of AB is A, which we are going to find. Next we have BC, that is base of this right angle triangle, and its value is under root 3. Third, we have this side, that is AC, which is also known as hypotenuse, and it is 9. And hypotenuse is the longest side of a triangle. So to find the value of this side, to find the value of A, we are going to use Pythagorean theorem. Pythagorean theorem is hypotenuse square is equals to perpendicular square plus base square. So hypotenuse we have AC, that means AC square is equals to perpendicular is AB square plus base is BC square. Now we are going to put the values of all three here. We have AC 9, so we will write 9 square is equals to AB as A square plus BC as under root 3 square. 9 square will become 81 equals to A square plus under root 3 square will be 3. Now we will take this 3 to that side, and it will be 81 minus 3 is equals to 8 square. 81 minus 3 is equals to A square. So after subtracting, we will get A square is equals to 78. But we want the value of this A, so what will be? So we will write A is equals to under root 78. So length of side AB, which was A, is equals to under root 78. So value of this side is under root 78. I hope it was easy to understand. See you in the next video. Thank you.